What up scrollers, welcome back to the J Apple Spot, and in this video I'm going to be telling you that how you can install iOS 14 stable version on your iOS devices by deleting your beta version of the iOS 14. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the video itself. So it's a very easy process that how you can delete your beta version and install the iOS 14 stable version. So you have to just go to your settings, then scroll down, go to the general, then scroll down until you find your profiles. Go to the profiles, then you will be able to see your iOS 14 beta software profile. Just tap on that and you will be able to see a remove profile over here. Just tap on remove and click remove, and your it will ask for to restart is required. So just tap on restart and it will start restarting your iPhone. Just wait for that. Once your iPhone has been restarted, just go to your settings and then go to the general, go for the software update, and you will be able to see iOS 14 stable version update is here. So you can just download it, and this is the GM version of the iOS 14. So that much for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button. So please like and subscribe. Peace out.